YouTube, what's going on? This is JT back in my garage time. Back in my garage time. Back in my garage time. Hey, what's up, everybody? This is JT. Welcome back to the channel. To all my new subbers, welcome to my channel. All right, y'all. So I was able to come out here tonight for a little while. I haven't been out here all week due to the cold. It's been real cold. Something we're definitely not used to here in Texas. As for me, um, I had the injury I was telling you guys about a long time, a while back in 2014. When we did I did a video on it, and I was talking about the injury that I have. Anyway, the cold makes it worse, the pain worse. Even when I have on shoes, it have my foot. It hurts really bad. Like I said, even if I got on shoes and the concrete floor is very cold. Um, so I just stay inside. Being I'll be out in the cold all day anyway. By the time I come home, I'll be ready to heat up and try to stay warm. So anyway, this video I want to cover a few things. We're gonna look at a clip from last night from the local model car, our local model car club, HAMS, the Houston Automotive Model Society. We're gonna look at a clip from it, and we're gonna do a channel shout out, and I'm going to answer a community question, and uh, I'm going to talk about these Wildcats that you see right here. I'm going to talk about them a little bit more. I feel like I missed out some information. I did. I left out some footage from when I did the video the other day, the intro video. So we're going to try to cover all that right quick, before I freeze out here. So we're going to look at this clip. So just hang on, the clip from last night. So give me just a second. All right, guys. So that was a clip from, like I said last night, the Model Car Club. If you are in the Houston area, The address will be in the link in the description. You can come. It's every second Friday of the month. Um, Make sure you bring your son for show and tell, anything model related. We would love to see it. But definitely come out and join us. You're very welcome to come. And also, let's go ahead and do the channel shout out. So hang on. All right, y'all. So that was the channel shout out. Make sure you go by and click the link in the description. Give these guys a sub. Check out their channel. They all deliver great content. Um, so next, I want to talk about this Wildcat. So I'm going to show you guys another clip of another video clip of a assembly line. So hang on just a second. So y'all, that was the assembly line, General Motors assembly line back in the 60s and 70s. I think it was the 60s and 70s. But anyway, so when I built that Wildcat, that was my idea. You could see, you saw the cars and they didn't have no hubcaps on them. And I wanted this car to look like it just came off the assembly line. And so the cars that had hubcaps, they didn't put them on there until I think after they delivered them to the dealership. If I'm not mistaken, I think they left them off. I guess to stop somebody from stealing them or something. Maybe I may be wrong. I'm just taking a wild guess right now, but that was the look that I was going for. That was the look I was going for. So that part of the clip was supposed to be in the intro video from last time. Now, I don't think I did a good review on this because I saw a lot of people saying, hey, that look like a great kit. I want that kit. I want to build it. Now it is a great kit. It is. The interior is very basic. It don't come with a lot of decals, that's fine because uh, it's not a lot of stuff to decal. It would have been good for the interior. I mean, for the dash cluster, but they don't have that. Uh, so, and the letters are pretty much raised on the back. They say Wildcat, and here on the front they say Buick, and you got a Wildcat right here in the back too. They kind of raised. I wish I could find some photo etch Buick and the Wildcat uh, thing. So, and like I say, I did the bottom of it. For who all haven't seen saw the last video. Um, and this was the first one I built. This was the first Wildcat that I built, and it's just basic, So they came with one with the hubcaps, and one with the rims and the Buick rally wheels with white walls. And there's this interior right here. See, I painted the dash black and the steering wheel black. The details are not as good, like I said, on the interior because you can barely see the window cranks and stuff like that, especially on that interior over there because it's a darker. I was able to see it a little bit more on here. As you can see that window crank. I don't know if y'all can see it over there, and I was not experienced as well, so you see the bumper. I was gonna tape it off like I did I think I did a GTO like that. I taped the bumper off and painted the license plate the same color car, and I was gonna do this, but I put the tape on there in the field. I actually got another grill I can use for this, but now I got a Wildcat parts box because I used the body from it, but I didn't know anything about detailing that much, so I didn't even do nothing on the bottom. And I used the kit operators on here. I don't know. I think the air cleaner's in a parts box somewhere. This kit also did not come with rearview mirrors either. The side mirrors, it didn't come with the mirror that go at the top either. So the inside rearview mirror, and all the side mirrors. Fitment issues. Didn't really have no fitment issues. Um, Everything fit okay. The only thing is with the hood on this side, and it happened on that one too. You know, it's got you can see the hood right here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but the hood right here, see, and it's the same thing with that one. But anyway, I like it. Like I said, it came with the hood emblem, so that was dope. I like that. It's just a good looking car, you know, nice to build, fun to build. They look good side by side. So, so yeah. Um, Let me see what else I want to cover. I'm missing something, y'all. I don't even know. I'm missing something. Um, I know I'm missing something, y'all. Something else I want to say. Oh, so all right. Enough of that. I want to talk about the community question that Jeff Jeff Model Garage. I think that's what the channel is called, Jeff Model Garage. And he a couple of weeks ago he posted a community question that he said that he asked, you know, what are your top five um, channels that you watch on YouTube? So as for me, I don't have a top five, and I do not have a favorite. Now, however, I've said this once before. Craig Corner and Angelo Workbench are the first two YouTube channels I did start watching. So I do try to catch their content whenever I can. Now, this is how I watch videos. This is how I choose the videos I want to watch. So the short videos. So if I see a video on my news feed, first of all, if I watch one, if I watch a channel today and it come another video come up tomorrow, I may not watch it because I'm using the time to watch somebody else's video. Um, so that's how I pretty much pick which videos I want to watch. Also, um, like I told y'all before, my schedule has changed. Um, so whatever. So if it's a video that's over 10 minutes, you know, let's just say with 15 minutes. So if a video is maybe 20 to 30 minutes, you know, I won't be able to watch it until I have some downtime, which it might be on the weekend, it might be late at night, you know. But if it's something quick, I'll be able to watch it throughout the day. So that's how I choose to watch videos. That's how I determine which videos I want to watch. Um, you know, like the Bill series. You know, I won't be able to watch a Bill series until people Bill series until I got down because most of the time a Bill series video is 20 to 30 minutes long. You know, so that's how I determine that. So I don't. So no, I don't have a top. I don't have a top five. I mean, everybody got great content. Everybody's great builders. You know, so I just can't. I don't have a favorite. Don't have a top five. So y'all. I think I'm gonna wrap it up because I'm getting cold. I gotta go in. But I'm gonna have a model cars and coffee video sometime tomorrow if it warm up a little bit. And then come down here. I want to try to knock it out tonight to post it tomorrow, but um, I'm not gonna be able to concentrate to do it, y'all, because I'm damn near shivering right now. So, um, so I have a flyer that's in the beginning of the video, which is going to be our local show, which is Space City Shootout, and I think that thing said July the 12th. I think it's July 12th, and so y'all check that flyer out. If you're in the area, somewhere near Houston, make sure y'all come out check it out. Um, I think STS is going to be at this show too as well, and then we also got Model Mania coming up too. I think that's in March. So if I get a flyer, I'll put that out there too as well for y'all to be able to see it. But um, once again, if you're in the Houston area and you want to come out and check out the club, y'all come. The address will be in the description. Y'all come by, check it out. Bring something for show and tell. Anything model related, bring for show and tell. We would love to see it. As you can see, the clip, is that's how we do it. Show and tell. It don't matter if your build is halfway done, you just started on it, you mocked it up, it don't matter. Just bring it, we want to see it. Okay, so that's going to be it for this video. I want to put these bad boys in their cases that I went and got today from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to put them on the shelf. All right, so that's going to be it. That's it. That's all. I definitely appreciate the support from everybody. Make sure you go click the links down in the description and give these guys a sub. And we're gonna end it like that. I'll see y'all tomorrow, hopefully in the next video. That's it. That's all. I'm out.